Here is what I call train art. Look at some of that. Some of it's really artistic. People could actually make a good living off of that if they'd apply themselves. And some of it just scribbling, but all the same, it's art. Somebody's expression. Is that any of you that looking at this video? Is that any of your work? We'd like to know. Just because it's not something that you see every day, and not very many people admit that they did that. Yeah. There's a bunch of boxcars here, a little scribbling there. There's a good piece coming up. There's a couple of them coming up. Oh, wow. Bambi. Oh, I can't even read that last one. Pretty catty, though. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.